me, Laurabelle, and
I'm Elise, her sister.
And we're doing Snack Crate again. Let's see what this...
Wait, what do you think it's going to be?
Switzerland.
I think it's going to be, once again,
Just food.
just different food. Okay.
Okay, let's open the Philippines.
Philippines. These stickers are mine.
Ooh, the Philippines. Woo!
Oh, okay.
No, the stickers don't go up.
Dang it. There's this amazing sticker of two pigs on a motorbike. So, it's pretty amazing.
Your sticker.
Okay, thank you. I love stickers.
And this is
Still have
our box.
Please get your elbow out of my face.
Yes, I'm sorry. Woo!
I see something purple. Can I do this?
Yeah.
I want to do it. So these are pillows, filled crackers. It's in a purple thing, and apparently they're purple. I'm excited. Oh God.
I'm just folding this down.
I tasted them. Like, it's air.
You
Air.
tasted air?
I tasted amazing air. Oh,
The smell. So weird.
so these are, they're decently big, actually.
Ooh. Kind of like Crave, but not chocolate.
Basically Crave without chocolate.
Not bad.
Philippines, you do good.
So how we're gonna rate it is if it's a double thumbs up, then it's really good. But if it's a one thumbs up, it's about okay. But if there's none, it's not good at all.
Can you tell my opinion?
You did a double thumbs up. I give it one.
These are amazing.
Next one, you're gonna love me for this. Dried mangoes.
Yes.
I, for one, do not like mangoes, so.
You see that? That's sugar.
Oh man, we forgot our waters.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
Yay!
Magic!
Okay, now let's try these.
Thanks,
Exciting.
Philippines God.
Holy crap.
Blech. Hate mango. 0. I give it a 0.
Two Philippines thumbs up.
Alright. Blind pick.
With everything. I really want those oob ones, so I knew what they were. So now we have an oob cake, I'm guessing. It's kind of like a mini cake filled with the deliciousness within this. Okay, so it looks like chocolate. Doesn't really smell like it.
Smells brownie.
Here's your bit. Here's mine. Cheers.
Oh god. It's like sponge cake.
Thumbs. That's good.
Blech, I don't like cake. Okie dokie. Next.
Oh my. What has happened?
Just cut that out. Chippy! Flavored barbecue with corn chips. Hey! And this is what we gotta do next. Yay, open it up.
Oh, it's something hard.
Wow, you're sad. Oh my god!
Technical difficulties. So this is what it looks like.
Oh, they're like Fritos.
You try first. I need to get this.
Thank you. Your butt is right next to my face. Oh,
Put your face right next to my butt.
I'm stuck.
Okay, so now that it's all cleaned up, Anyways, are they good? Are they?
You gotta give it a taste for yourself. I had the cake and the mango.
Oh, I just tasted the corn chip.
That's a win for me,
Not for me.
because I kind of like it, but yeah. Next pick.
I saw this and I was like, hello.
Ooh.
Chocolate pretzels. So here it is. They look like Pocky, but like pretzels.
Yeah.
Thank you, dog.
It's a good. It's a
found all the
good
rest
time
of these.
because I still can tolerate chocolate, but soon I won't be able.
She's lactose intolerant.
Delilah, please stop.
And she's touching my leg. Oh, these are way more than Pocky. Look how extra they are.
It's open. Oh.
My name's Jeff.
My name is Jaya. Oh my.
It was kind of open.
Give me the
I'll wait for you,
chocolate.
actually. It looks
Three.
dark chocolate.
2, 1. Oh.
Is this dark chocolate? Not bad. Kind of bland, though. Not what I expect for chocolate.
I just don't like it.
Mwah. Meh.
I don't even think that's pretzel. I don't like it. Give me
It's
your rating.
different. It's different. I'm not going to give it 2 thumbs up, but 1.
0. Okay, my pick. Ding dongs. Cornick, green peas, cracker nuts, peanuts, and fava beans. All in one slice.
Cornick? What is Cornick?
I do not know. Tell us what you think cornicks are in the comment section below.
Take one of each. I see peas. I am not eating peas.
First the
And
green.
it's not going in. Okay, just leave it on
So
the
this is our handful.
So this is the one we're doing.
Yeah.
Look like flat little nuts.
3, 2, 1.
Nasty.
This one. 3, 2, 1. Almost like a puff.
Oh, we're doing the chickpea. Prepare. 3,
Oh.
2, 1.
Oh my god. Oh, that's not even part of that's just the shell. You just ate the shell, you dum dum.
Cool. I'm not waiting for you. Green pea.
Oh, not bad.
Peanut. I tried them all.
I hate peas.
Okay, now it's my pick again. She did the ding dongs. They were just asking.
Yes, they were.
I'm really, really interested in what this is. There's no title to it. It's just tinfoil wrap. Oh, I see chocolate. I see chocolate, and it is beautiful. Look at that view.
I can't see the view.
Oh.
Oh my god.
What?
Oh my god. You're taking the first bite.
That is amazing. Okay,
What is that?
it's like a crunch, but like with the chocolate inside it. Oh god, it is coffee.
What? Coffee?
Coffee. Tastes white too.
I don't like it. I don't like it.
Thumbs down.
Okay, what we're gonna do now is the Sky Flakes crackers.
Crackers are a good break.
But you just have terrible tasting food.
So offensive.
These are what they look.
One for you and an extra one for someone else. Probably.
Mm-mm.
They need some salt.
I want one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
they're good.
Mm-hmm.
Welcome.
You have a special guest.
Want some? Here, have cracker. Mine give them to the dog. You're good. Okay.
Because it's fair. Small intermission with the puppy.
Okay, I'm choosing the next one. I really. I saw these. They're these little choco nut.
Peanut milk chocolate.
Peanut milk chocolate. They're little, like really little, like barely bigger than the pillows.
Oh my god.
And
look
here's
at
a dog.
Again.
Ooh. Hi.
Again.
This is very peanut because it's falling apart.
Delilah, please.
Okay,
Oh.
I'm not a fan.
Ugh. It's like tasting actual peanut with chocolate. It's sweet peanut with milk chocolate.
I'm not a fan at all.
I say that as I'm licking it.
Okay, next one.
Okay, up next is boy. Oh, Cornick.
Laurabelle can't catch, I can. Okay, so this is oil and vinegar. It's Cornick, like the last mix that we did. It's not over here.
Why, hello.
So,
I'm being pummeled.
all that Cornick out of my mouth.
Let me see. Oh God, that was Cornick.
That's Cornick.
Sit.
So, you know how we asked what was Cornick? It's these.
Give me one.
And it knocked over. See? This is what happens when you
Delilah, stop.
I smelled it. It's I'm taking a bite of it. I'm not eating the whole thing. I hate vinegar. Knew it. It's saltier than the last mix, but no. Okay, so what I'm picking are these XO classic coffee candy. Ugh.
Smells good.
I could already taste the coffee.
I won't tell you what flavor it is.
Classic. Duh. Oh gosh, why? Do this. I taste the coffee. It's kind of like those caramel candies.
Like, it's supposed to go into the coffee, so. Not bad. I should probably spit this out, shouldn't I?
Can I get a paper towel or something? Water. Oh, is that the last thing? No, seriously.
Three things. Oh my God, you are drenched. Stop. Sit down.
It was so bad. Ugh.
You caught it on camera.
Yeah, I did.
It's still rolling, right? I'm done here. Spilled water on herself. And my pick. I don't know what this is.
Are these the same peanut butter things from Mexico?
No, it's not soft.
Oh, I hate the sound of the wrapper. Oh, it's like nails on a chalkboard. So,
It's like chalk.
it's, speaking of chalkboard. Don't know what that is? That is never going back in my mouth again. It's like a nut. I don't know what type of nut. It has no label. Once again.
Okay, whatever that is, it's a triple thumbs down. Quadruple from me.
Okay. Now there's only one left. Let us. So this is chocolate flavored.
Yeah.
It's like the other crackers, except now it's chocolate, so it's basically gonna be, oh my, wafered. This is crap. This is the same thing. Oh, this chocolate. Okay, I was about to say, this is fake advertising.
False advertising, dum dum.
Fake news. And it's one big cracker. There we go.
Not bad.
Not horrible. You are good. So while we're enjoying this, what's the other thing in there? Pretty sure it's the same thing. What is this?
Good. And again, we got Delilah.
Wow, with the power of editing, she's gone. Over the table. Let's just share one. I bite one half, you bite the other.
Okay.
Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing
Two
tube
man.
man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man. Wacky waving inflatable arm flailing tube man.
No!
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Not bad.
Uh-uh.
Give it your rating.
It's sweet cheese.
Give it your rating.
I'll give it a... That was disgusting.
Thank you guys for watching. Smacked her in the face. Thank you guys for watching. If you want to watch more of this, please, we'll see you next month. And if you want your very own, if you want your very own snack rate, go to snackrate.com. Okay, like, comment, and share. And if you, again, if you remember, if you know what a cornic is, please let us know.
Also,
It's god awful.
if we get to 10 likes,
We'll do this next month.
yeah, we'll do this next month.
Anyways, thank you guys, and we will see you next time. And cut! Okay, I'm done. Ow!
Alright. Hopefully it recorded the audio.
What?
Every single
Hey? Okay. I don't know what to say. Why are you looking at me like that?